This video will demonstrate how to upgrade the software to a La Brillante or G100. To upgrade the software, we need to have two different USBs. One is for key 1, which we call it system key. The second one, we call it key 2, which is the software upgrading key. The sequence for the upgrading is insert the key 1 first and following by the key 2. Let's get started. We have both key 1 and key 2 ready. The first step, turn off the machine. It is also recommended to first back up the machine before you do any software upgrading, which demonstrated in my another video. Open the door, remove protection cover, insert the key 1. Then turn the machine on. At this stage, machine will detect the system key itself automatically. Once the machine finished, the screen will display update success. Please remove the USB key. You can remove the USB key and then turn the machine off. Have your key 2 USB, insert into the machine and then turn it back on. Once the machine finished, it will prompt you to remove the USB. Then unplug it, just close the door, let the machine turn itself on. From the factory settings, select the correct machine setup or configuration file that match your machine. For this one, we use all countries, fresh milk. Next page, to find the correct country code. For this one, we will have 1 espresso and 2 instant plus fresh milk and Australia. Press next. Have your configuration file loaded in blank formatted USB. Let's import the configuration file into this machine. Open the door, insert the USB, enter your credential. From the menu, go to machine setting, menu number 3, go to machine configuration, menu 3.1. Select import from the USB. Single click the file, select import. In the pop-up menu, says, do you want to load the configuration group, all countries La Brillante with the configuration ES plus 2 instant plus fresh milk, and we press OK. In the open configuration preferences, select reset statistics, reset maintenance counter, reset water calibration. It's always recommended to rerun the calibration after you upgrade the software or import a new configuration file. Then, in the ingredients calibration, press the drop-down menu, select the second one, apply modified value from the new configuration. Press OK. Press open. Now,